Welcome, welcome to RJ Skill the Versatile World. In this lecture, I'll talk about concept to understand a reaction mechanism. So we can easily understand a reaction mechanism when we will know about these concepts. On the basis of these concepts, we can easily learn a reaction mechanism. So at first, we will talk about electronic transfer of electron, reaction intermediate after that types of reagent, types of bond cleavage, types of reaction. In electronic transfer of electron, I'll talk about inductive effect, resonance or mesomeric effect, hyperconjugation, electromeric effect. In reaction intermediate, I'll talk about carbocation, carboanion, free radical, carbene, nitrene and benzene. In types of reagent, I'll talk about electron rich species, electron deficient species like electrophile, nucleophile. Here in types of bond cleavage, homolytic bond cleavage and heterolytic bond cleavage. After that, types of reaction. In types of reaction, I'll talk about substitution reaction, addition reaction, elimination reaction and rearrangement reaction. So when we will know about this concept, I am saying to you, you can easily understand a reaction mechanism. So don't skip a single lecture related to these concepts. So you can learn easily reaction mechanism. Electronic transfer of electron. Just I told you, inductive effect, resonance or mesomeric effect, hyperconjugation, electromeric effect. In inductive effect, so here now I am talking about inductive effect. So simply you can say to attract or repel of electron in covalent bond. Okay, like carbon, 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 carbon and here Zn group. Okay, so due to Z here, Z is a group. Okay, so due to this group, maybe this group minus I group and plus I group. Okay, so I'll talk about it. Okay, later. Just here I am talking about inductive effect. So to attract or repel of electron in covalent bond. Okay, so it is a permanent effect. After that, this is very much important point. It is distance dependent. When we increase distance, I effect will decrease. When distance decrease, I effect will increase. And for H atom, I effect considered to be 0. For alkyl group, so plus I effect. And after third or fourth carbon atom, I effect considered 0. So you need to must remember these points related to I effect. Okay, here types of I effect, minus I effect and plus I effect. Minus I effect to attract electron. Just here you can see Z is any group. Okay, and Z is more electronegativity than carbon atom. So Z group attract electron. So due to attraction of electron, so on Z partial negative charge develop and on carbon atom partial positive charge. So here you can simply say carbon having positive charge is carbocation. And plus I effect to repel of electron or donate of electron. Just here you can see carbon having here actually En order, electronegativity order of carbon is more. So carbon attract electron, or you can say Z group having less electronegativity than carbon. So here carbon having negative charge and on this group positive charge develop. So carbon having negative charge, you can say carboanion. But again I am saying to you we will talk about carbocation, carboanion in reaction intermediate. So here only you need to know carboanion, carbon having negative charge, and carbocation, carbon having positive charge. Next, this is very much important in a whole organic chemistry. So you need to remember order of minus I group. Minus I group to attract electron or withdraw electron. So here must you need to remember this group, because on the basis of this group you can solve many questions like stability of carbocation, stability of carboanion, strength of carboxylic acid. So on the basis of this group, so here you need to remember minus I group, and after that plus I group. So here to repel electron or to donate electron. So these are okay. These are plus I group. So also you need to remember this group. So on the basis of this group, later I'll talk about application of I effect. Okay, such as stability of carbocation, stability of carboanion, acidic strength of carboxylic acid, and etc. Okay, so one important point I am saying to you must remember is functional group, their prefix and suffix. If you remember these terms, okay, you can easily learn organic chemistry. Minus I group, plus I group. Later I will talk about minus M group, plus M group. Only you need to remember these, and organic chemistry is very easy. So thank you so much for being with RJ Skill, the versatile world.